welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be making a stress ball with no slime in it. Stress balls are supposed to be slime in it, and like when you squeeze it the color changes. So I am doing this without it, and that is so cool. By the way, that's my brother right there. Sorry. It's my brother. Oh, I hate the flies. So my brother just came in. He said he's gonna ruin the video. I was like, so yeah, and today we are going. I just finished. I finished like adding the rice water to my hair, and now I just like finished shampooing it and all stuff. And it's already dried up like 2 hours ago, and I just sprayed it. I don't know why, but so we're going to make a stress ball without slime. That is so cool. Like, usually you guys don't have glue sometimes, and also you guys don't have any food coloring or other stuff. So even like a net thingy, whatever. And this is so cool because you guys also might not be allowed to use some starch for your slime, like baking soda and or like Gain, Tide. You guys might not be allowed to do it so at your house. So this is the video you guys need to watch. So, yeah. Hey guys, I'm back. First you'll be needing a jar, chopstick for your choice, a balloon, and some paint. And lastly, I forgot guys to tell you guys, some water. Let's get started. First, take your jar. Second, take your paint. Third, take your water. Okay, let's get started. First, you want to add some water. Second, guys, you'll be needing to add a color. So I went with pink. You don't want to add the same color of the paint, and you don't want to add the same color to the same color of the balloon. So yeah, I don't go with blue. I really want the blue, but you can't take the blue because it's the same color. When you squeeze it, it's not going to change color. First, open your pink up. Now take some pink in there. That's a lot of pink there. It looks like red on the camera, but it's very dark pink, guys. Add a little more. Okay guys. Now guys, we are going to be putting that into the balloon. So, let's do this. Okay guys, what I went ahead and do is place all that water and that color into the bottle. Make sure your bottle is empty. Mine was not that empty, but there's a little bit of water, but that's okay. I'm gonna add a little more pink. Okay, now guys. Now, you guys need to watch. First, go ahead and put on your balloon and wrap it around our bottle. Second, hold it because it might just spill. And use your hand and try to squeeze the water inside. Next, guys, you guys want to tied it up. Okay. As you guys can see, it actually changed color. I'm gonna show you guys now. Okay guys, I am back, and as you guys can see, it actually works. It actually changes color. It feels so nice. It's so cool. Just see how it changed color. This is the result. Okay guys, I hope you guys love this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and yeah, see you guys later. Later. Oh, I love this. This is so nice. It's so squishy. If you guys have any fishnet, you guys can actually put it on this. And it's so cool because most of you guys don't have any glue at home, so I don't have glue at home either. So as you guys can see, perfect. It's just like slime in it, but there's nothing. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys later. Goodbye. Make sure you guys also subscribe down and comment down below, and also click that like button if you guys love this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.